Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, front and rear air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.